Okay, I'm back in the attic. Ugh. Now I'll show you what I've been able to do. All right, so I've got the board in. I had the notch here. All right, that's now laying flat. It's all laying flat. Okay. Now I am getting ready to drill in through this truss. All right, there's a truss. Goes down. It's going to go through into the 2x4, this screw. And then this part here, this part right here is a 2x4 that's flat, just like you see there, going crossways here, across this, where the ceiling mount to the shower curtain ring for the clawfoot tub is going to sit. Alright, I can't hold this and drill, so I'm going to have to call it. So like, subscribe, and share, where we get it done. Alright. Where there's a will, there's a way. And where there's a will, there's a better way. So never give up, because there's always a way. Always. Bye for now. Bye. Look forward to hear from you.